Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm a research manager here at Carbon. We get a lot of questions about which of our carbon materials is a good ABS replacement. RPU 70 is a great replacement for ABS because it has high modulus, high ductility, high elongation at break, and toughness. To demonstrate the toughness and the superiority of this material, we printed this wrench. The wrench requires a high amount of stress and force and torque. It also requires that we have isotopic properties in the areas of high stress when we're loosening the bolt. RPU 70 uses our dual cure technology, in which the light enables us to lock the shape of the printed part from a liquid to a solid, and the thermal cure enables us to grow our polyurethane chain, which imparts very high mechanical properties. To find out more about RPU 70 or any of our other carbon materials, visit our website at carbon3d.com and subscribe to Ask an Additive Expert on YouTube.